everybody, it's Happy Mail Queen. Happy Tuesday to everyone. I have another haul for you guys, and this is a Target, what else? Hobby Lobby, and if I can fit it in, I will also show you some items I picked up at the Dollar Tree. So right before my trip, I was at Target and I did grab some things. I want to say these were on sale because I wasn't really looking to buy, you know, bags, but I just happened to be looking in that area, and I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, you're so cute, and you get so many. See, 2, 4, 6, and they're just cute bags, and I thought, oh, how adorable, like for a Maggie Holmes project, right? I could not resist since it had a little swan with a crown. So anyway, can't remember how much that is, but I want to say it was on sale. And then also these bags, the unicorn bags. So it came in these 3 colors. Aren't they cute? Like, I don't have enough unicorn bags, but I do give them out when I you know, meet up with my friends, and it's always handy to have a bag. Okay, and then, oh, Michael's too, I think, is another place that I stopped by at. I got this Spritz reusable plastic straws, and you know, they're plastic. My daughter wanted them, but I could also use them for rosette wands, right? So got that, and I did like the colors. I was happy to see these. Now, I didn't even know they had these with the little unicorns on them. I think they've been around for a while, but I just never really got my hands on it. How cute is that, right? For your unicorn projects. I hope you guys can see that well, because, you know, I know there's a glare and everything, but you see the little unicorn in there? How cute! These weren't on sale, but I got them. Colored butterflies. Can you guys see that? No, of course you can't see it like that, but yeah, they're just different colored butterflies, and I just liked the size of it and the shapes. So got those at Michael's, and I think these were, oh, I think I had a coupon. That's why I ended up buying these. These are from like that $2 bin area. I bought some of these. I thought they were super cute. I think I might have used a coupon, or I can't remember if these were on sale or not, but I thought these were cute just for dangles. I usually run out of these because I do use them to add to my charms and dangles, and I love the little rhinestones on these. So I got those. Also went to the fall section. They were just starting to put out Halloween stuff, but anyway, I thought these were super cute. These were 40% off, so you get 4 of those. And then I liked these. I thought these were super cute, and you know, they're the wood pieces. So that's all I got at the fall section. Paper Studio brand was on sale. I couldn't help it. I wanted to get this one. It's just super cute. I know this is maybe from a year or 2 ago. I don't know. When was this? Does it say what year? 20? Huh. Anyway, I just thought this was super cute. I just love the colors and the swans. Even though I'm not exactly going to do a baby album or baby, you know, project with it, I just still like the little critters, and I like the colors, and I decided to get it. And you get 3 of each, so see, 3 of the swan pages. How cute is that? And then they do have the kit, and then I realized that I already picked one up. But they're 50% off, so I only got it for $4.50. And you know. I love the ephemeras and the little enamel dots, or I don't know if they're enamel dots, but they kind of look like enamel dots. But yeah, it's totally worth it, even though the paper I think is kind of thin. But that's how that looks like, in case you guys haven't seen it. This has been around for a while, so yeah, not new, but I do have this one. I didn't have this one, the paper, so yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring this one back, but it's so cute. I might just keep it. And then I just got this from the Agenda 52, you know, section. I just love the little girls. I don't think I have this particular puffy stickers. And then this one, since they were 50% off. And I needed another cutting mat. Got another one of those. And then I thought I'd grab these. I hadn't really seen these before, so I really like them. Love that first aid and that one. Really cute. And then some sweet treats. Of course, all of these were 50% off as well. I just love that bag of gummy bears, because Genevieve and I were eating gummy bears when we were on the plane, you know, so our ears wouldn't like hurt when they pop, you know, when you're in high altitude. But yeah, we were munching on gummy bears, and that's what it reminded me of, and so I had to get the stickers. So that is it for those items. Let's see, I think I have time, so I will show you now the Dollar Tree items. So I was there with my bestie Sophia right after we went to Frank Garcia's studio. We decided to go to Dollar Tree because it was like, I don't know, a block or two away from there. And I wanted some flowers because we wanted to do a shadow box for Halloween, because we saw one there that I think Frank made it, or Johnny, somebody made it, and he had it on display, and it was really cute. So I thought, oh look, I can just grab some flowers that I can use on my shadow box. So got those. And then they had some things to alter, you know. They have their Halloween stuff out already, so decided to get this one. And my idea, well, our idea was to maybe put some tags in there. So I was thinking, I already cut up my Hey Pumpkin, the little tags, the cut aparts from Hey Pumpkin, and just to size it, and they do fit in there, the tags. So I think I'm going to decorate the tags and then kind of use this as a little holder. So I thought that would be cute, and I'll paint this orange or maybe white. But I thought that would be a fun fall project. So that's my plan for that one. And then I also got this right here, Day of Smiles. I don't plan to use this as a decorative piece, but as a box for more of my memory decks, since I'm I'm loving making memory decks. I do have one more box from Heidi Swapp, but this is also a good size. I like the, you know, that it's square, and it's nice and deep enough. So I don't have to do much to it. Maybe just cover it up with paper if I wanted, or I can just leave it like that. But yeah, great idea. And my friend Sophia actually told me that that's what she did with one of the boxes that she purchased at Dollar Tree, is use it as, you know, to put stuff in it, like a memory decks box. So anyway, got that. Got this Happy Harvest. I thought I can put this in my craft room, so really cute. I just love decorating for Halloween and fall. So fun. And I think this will go perfectly. I like the white background. So I got that. And then what else? I got some more of my containers because I absolutely love, you know, these jot organizer cases. So I got a couple of those. And then I got some mailer just because I need one. Sophia had some ideas about what to do with these travel bottles, like filling it up with sequins and pom-poms and things. She showed me a picture, and I think she saw it on Instagram, and I can't remember who it was that did it. I think it was Kat, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, yeah, gonna use this for a project. And got some facial wipes for myself and my daughter. I'm gonna try this out. I've never tried this one, but this one is coconut oil and sea salt. So I don't usually use these, but when we were traveling, they came in really handy. Okay, so Halloween stuff. Oh, before I show you, isn't this cute? Good vibes only. Look. And it lights up. How cute. I thought that would be a fun addition to some of my Halloween decor. Oh, so then there's these, and Sophia said that a lot of people were using these to alter, you know, just changing the background. So I thought, oh, that's a good idea. And I love that it says adventure on it, on the glass. And so I thought, oh, you know, I do want to, I have so many pictures from my trip to New York that I thought I can do a picture of like all of us who went to New York. And yeah, just display it. So I'm gonna use that for that. Okay, sorry. Now, Halloween stuff. I was enabled by Mommy Loves Gigi, I think. She shared some Dollar Tree haul. So anyway, I was like, oh, I have to get one of those. These are the adhesive diamond wraps, and I thought about just cutting them up, you know. So Sophia found that one. These, I love these, the gold ones. So they already have the adhesives. You can just cut them up, and then here's a pumpkin. They had a few other colors there, like purple pumpkins. So check it out. These, I think they've had this in the past, but I just never picked them up. I don't think. I kind of like them. Some of them are like stitch looking, like that pumpkin. So I picked these felt stickers up, and the ghosty. Let me see the ghost. Hopefully the ghost is cute. These I thought was new. I don't recall seeing these, although maybe they were there before. Doesn't really say what year, but they came in different colors. I got that one and the black, the black one. So this might have been from previous, you know, from the previous year. I don't know, but it beats having to die cut stuff, right? They're also, they call them ornaments, but they're nice and, you know, thin enough that you can use it on a scrapbook. So I just decided to get them. I love this one. They're the little houses. I think I'm gonna have to spray it with something so that the glitter doesn't come off. I found that very annoying when I was doing my scrapbook because of the glitter would go on my pictures. So yeah, make sure you seal it somehow. Found some more, they had a lot of wooden pieces at the Dollar Tree. So here's this one. I didn't pick up all of them or anything, just a couple. And then I liked the hats. So got those two. Sophia found some of these, so I picked up one. Thought this was a pretty ribbon for fall. I should have gotten one of the tools. I got a blender, and then these are just non-crafty. This is just a case. I have earbud cases, and they come in handy. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!